What's going on, guys? My name is Alan, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add an email signature in Outlook. This tutorial will be divided into 3 parts, in case that you need assistance on a specific platform. First, the web app, then the Windows 10 default mail app, and finally the Microsoft Office Outlook application. Let's begin with the web app, that is the most common one. The first thing that you need to do is click on the settings wheel on the top right of the screen, and that will bring up the sidebar with the customization options. Right at the bottom, you will see a link that says View All Outlook Settings. Click it, and there, just go to Mail in the option on the left and click on Compose and Reply. As you see now, the email body preferences are shown, and as I am showing you here, you just need to delete the previous signature on the text box and type a new one. You can customize it as you like also. And once you finish, click the Save button below, and that's it. Try composing a new email to verify that indeed the new signature is being added. Now I'm gonna show you how to add the signature on the Microsoft Office Outlook app. Once inside the application, click on File in the top toolbar and then open the options at the left. The Outlook option windows will be open, and once there, click on Mail. And then at your right, you will see a button that says Signature. Click it, and a new window will be shown with all the options to create new signatures. Here, you can create more than one, and you can choose different signatures for new message and replies. Just click New, choose a name for it, and click OK. In the text box below, you can type the signatures that you would like to use, customize it, and click OK once you finish. Last but not least, we are going to see how to change it on the Windows 10 default app. Begin by opening the app and click on the settings icon at the bottom. The settings sidebar will appear, and right in the middle you will see an option that says Signature. Click on that. As you see, an email signature window is displayed, and from there it's very simple to replace the default one. Just delete it and type the new one. You can customize it as you like. And once you're done, click Save, and that's it. The new signature will be applied to all the new emails. If you like the video and think this useful, consider sharing it with your friends. Or if you're interested in more content like this, just subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.